Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, a hearty welcome. Today I'm going to be doing steamed fish in the oven wrapped in foil with callaloo stuffing. I'm adding all my powdered seasoning together. I wash my fish with lime and water. If you don't have lime juice, you can use vinegar and water. I'm going to put in a few slices so the seasoning can penetrate the fish. You want this to be very delicious. You don't just want to coat the skin with the seasoning. You want to season this really well. Make sure you get the seasonings in the little slices, whatever cracks and crevices you can find. Season it really well. I'm using a mixture of complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and fish seasoning. You can use your favorite seasonings, whatever seasoning you like. If your seasonings are high in salt, then there will be no need to add any salt to your fish. You can choose to let these marinate in the fridge for an hour or two, or you can just steam them right away. The choice is yours. I have my Jamaican callaloo here that I washed and chopped. Gonna be adding some onion, some garlic. I've got my bell peppers, just a pinch of black pepper in there, a pinch of salt to balance out the flavors. Just gonna mix that really well. Jamaican callaloo has a very mild flavor that is similar to spinach but with a nutty undertone, and it's much tastier to me. Gonna use some butter on the first layer of foil to prevent the fish from sticking to the foil. You can use margarine or olive oil. Piece of Scotch bonnet pepper in there for extra flavor and spice. You want to put as much filling as the fish can hold. Doesn't matter if some follow. That's cool. It's gonna be wrapped up anyways. Wrap that up really well. You don't want it to be loose for the juice to run out. Second layer of foil to secure everything. Now you don't have to add any butter to this one. Wrap it really well. Usually I would put some butter before sealing the fish. Well, I actually forgot for this one, but for the second fish, I'm going to show you how I do that. Just repeat the process. And I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour. You can, check on them after 20 minutes. Fish don't usually take that long to cook, but remember, it's in the oven and the heat has to penetrate the foil. Make sure your oven is preheated at least for about 10 minutes. You can place these directly on the racks in the oven, a baking pan, or a tray. All done, and they smell delicious. Let me show you one. Look at that. The skin is intact. Look at that. Oh, it's so buttery and nice. Oh my God. The callaloo is fully cooked as expected. Doesn't take long. Look at that. The flavor from the rosemary and the dried thyme, the onion, the garlic, the bell peppers. and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh, a little bit of heat with a kick of flavor. Look at that. It's soft and succulent. Oh my God. This is good. Up close so maybe you can get a little smell. Look at that. Isn't it lovely? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Bye.